Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to OPPO F23. You need to start by going into Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. In this pop-up about Wi-Fi Direct, you can select Close. Or, if you want to send your files without internet connection to nearby Android devices, select Close and then click on the switcher at the top. I don't want to do that, so I will just let it be and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Then Receive at the bottom next to Send of OPPO. Also on OPPO, you need to scroll down and tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Motorola. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top to select files that you wish to transfer. If you want to, you can also just click on the couple of them. I will go with those two. Wherever you decide, when you finish choosing, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom of Motorola. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Sorry, misclick. And decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on OPPO. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key though, tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. So when I click, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!